Hey engineering students, is your resume foolproof? Is it reaching the right recruiter? Does it consist of all those 30-40 keywords which essentially makes it to the ATS? If not, then I think this video is all for you. Now, you know the importance of resume, but you undermine the relevance of job description. So how to get them right? So in this particular video, I am putting not 1, 2, but 20 job description portal site, all for the engineering students who are sitting on the fence or eyeing to get their dream jobs. What you need to do is apply filters, search and see for the right keywords, just 30 to 40 about, and transfer it in your new resume format. If you have all those 30 to 40 keywords, I'm very sure that your resume this time will be a comprehensive one and you'll reach your prospective employer, the dream companies, the right time. So what are you waiting for? All the best.